She told Ariel that she was going to turn her into a human like she wanted, but she didn't. She just took her voice. So it's kind of like a show. But when Ursula's necklace fell off, Eric caught it and gave it to Ariel.
So who's this Eric? Describe him.
He's not like the other Eric because he doesn't have the rest of the people. He still has his dog, but it's not the pirate ship or the rest of the people. You know?
Okay.
And then Eric gave Ariel her voice back.